For $1,200 a night, what is the house look like in Port Macquarie? I'm going to show you in this video. Port Macquarie, it's about 4 hours drive north of Sydney. It's a beautiful coastal town. It's Christmas holiday. We found this beautiful oceanfront house in AirBNB. It costs $1,200 per night and we're going to stay here for 3 nights. So this is level 1 strata. You got this lounge area sitting here. It's got the commanding ocean view over the lighthouse beach. So this house has 4 levels. First start from the ground level as a garage to level 1, 2 and 3, and it's a 5-bedroom house. So the hallway, open entry on the right hand side, you got a bedroom. Okay, from the hallway on the left hand side, you got 1 bedroom here. Okay, that's a bathroom. Level 1's bedroom. You got a door straight out to the front veranda. From the level 1 straight up to level 2. Let's check it out. Got a lounge, another lounge area.
Yep, it's beautiful. So you've got just more seating outside here. Perfect. So it's all really just living space here. Here's the remote control for the TV. You've got some beach towels there for you to use.
Thank you very much. Oh my God, unbelievable. The house is built on a huge slope and have this breathtaking view to the ocean. Now we're going to level 4 have a look. Okay, staircase to the right, staircase to the left. Let's check the left side first. Wow. Okay, got a sitting area on this level 4. There's a bedroom here. Okay, wardrobe, and check out the view. If we walk out here from the sitting area, that's a swimming pool. Check out the water. Pretty warm. I don't think that's a heated pool, but the water in this temperature, 25 degrees, so warm, so nice. And check out the view from here over the ocean. Let's check out the other side. On this top level, there's 1 bathroom here. Very clean. Looks like that's the master bedroom. Wow. Look at the view from the master bedroom. You've got a walk-in wardrobe. This is master bedroom's ensuite. Oh, you got 2 shower heads. Beautiful, very nice. Next to the master bedroom, there's another bedroom, which also got a balcony. This house is a commanding position looking at the ocean. You check it out. It's so beautiful. The view and the breeze, the air is so fresh. It's unbelievable. The house is fully self-contained. All the cookways, you can just bring the food and make your own dinner with the ocean view here. Christmas Eve dinner can't get any better than this. Cheers. The $1,200 a night, it's only in the peak season like Christmas holiday season. I would assume that in the normal season probably around $500 a night for the house like this. But still, it's better than living in a hotel, costs you $250 for 1 room. This house is not ultra luxury, but the position is brilliant. We had a great time celebrating Christmas here. This channel is about Australian lifestyle. If you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow the channel. Thank you for watching.